Good morning, everyone. I think we are all extremely fresh and definitely strong after this fabulous dinner that Graham did us yesterday night. I think it was really amazing. I at least could have spent the rest of the week in this restaurant. So this was really incredible. So it's a pleasure to chair the session this morning. So we have the first session too, which is entitled Moving Global BioImaging Forward. And that's really a discussion we also had yesterday before the general meeting in the Global BioImaging Management Board, how to continue and sustain this network that has already had such an impact around the world in terms of catalyzing the formation of national imaging initiatives and especially promoting their global interaction and really sharing and helping each other on the key issues that we all have in our individual infrastructure programs. And so I think many of the key issues have already been discussed yesterday. The theme of this exchange of experience workshop really is about the career structures, about the service staff, about putting that together at a global level and to say what are the general things. But it's one aspect of several. We have several other areas where we need to work together internationally for many years to really enable the communities that we want to empower in their research as best as possible. And there are key other objectives that have to do with training, that have to do with data solutions, that have to do with infrastructure policy in the life sciences. And we will do a lot of hard work on all of these things in the afternoon sessions where we have individual work groups that break out on these topics. But we can only do all of that if we actually continue global bioimaging and we continue also the formation of a formal international association that really agrees to join forces, help each other, and move this area forward. And so the initial presentation in this session is by the project manager of Global BioImaging, Federica Paina, who has thought about what is really the general future objectives of global bioimaging and how can we ensure that we sustain this activity and that we can move it forward. So it's a pleasure for me to hand over to Federica, who is really the spirit behind the scenes and that you all have been in touch with individually that keeps us all going and keeps us all together. Federica.